With 8 breathtaking spaces poised for your exploration, prepare to be ignited by the essence of classic sophistication that resonates with your refined sensibilities. Within the sanctuary of each living room, a harmonious symphony of elements orchestrates an opulent aesthetic, luxuriate in sumptuous textures that embrace sofas and armchairs, while meticulously curated decorative pillows adorn every corner. The presence of refined furnishings and imaginative chandeliers elevates the very ambiance, casting an enchanting aura over each masterpiece. Indulge in the opportunity to join our esteemed community by hitting the likes button and subscribe. Stay seamlessly connected with the latest trends in elegant interiors designed to captivate your imagination and inspire your creativity. Step into an embrace of warm, opulent hues that envelop each room, offering a haven of comfort and luxury that resonates with your appreciation for the finer things in life. An entrancing abstract painting commands the heart of the seating area, infusing the space with its unique character and speaking to your discerning eye. These living rooms epitomize the very essence of sophistication, presenting a visual feast that delights the eyes and beckons you to linger in an ambience of comfort.